We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. And we're going into Thanksgiving week, man. You got to love that. Cultivate wisdom. You don't need to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 158. NASDAQ up 11. S&P's off 13. Gold contract up $10.80, trading $18.72 an ounce. Silver up 26 cents, $24.31 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 41 cents, $42.15 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note up 4 ticks, trading 138.16. The 30-year up 26 at 174.02. And King Dollar. King Dollar up 85 ticks, trading 92.379. The euro is out here at 118. The yen is at 103.83. And the British pound is at 132 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, you get a sideways move out here. You get light volume. You're hanging at the highs. You're coming into Thanksgiving. Bottom line, there's no reason the S&P can't try to make a run for, at least close to the highs. Let's put it that way. We're at 356. The high this week was 362. The high last week was 364. I expect it's going to mess around and try to get up there at some way. That being said, NDX 100, whole different animal, man. NDX 100 is weak. Apple has been weak in an incredible way. Still just trading sideways, down 72 cents right now. Microsoft, incredibly weak, down 41 cents. And both of those equities, just so you really got to understand something, both of those equities, they only have to move $1 down to put like the NDX 100 another 50 points to 75 points down, or $1 up. That's how powerful they are, folks, inside of the NDX 100. My take is that they both want to go south. They've been going sideways for an awful long time. Qs are at 292. That's wide open to get to the bottom of the consolidation, which is out here, which is at 260. You get the gap that's still wide open from 3 weeks ago at 270. But it looks to me like that's where we're going. If we go inside the NDX 100 today and look at the strength versus the weakness, we're at NDX. Inside the NDX, you get Zoom is the leader out here today. That's up 6.5%. Moderna is up 5.8. You get NetEase up 4.7. And I got to get this again. I had it yesterday. Pinduoduo. That was it. That's up 4.6. Taken away from it. Workday's getting smoked. That's down 8% or $18. You get Dexcom off 3.4%, Intuit's down 3.2%, and Expedia is off 2.6%. When we take a look at the gold market, coming into a Friday, coming into a long, it's not a long weekend, but Thanksgiving week, the gold market held up. Close call. No doubt, man. We've been hanging down here all week. I mean, if the gold had a chance to, well, let's put it this way. The gold had every chance to try to break the lows that were established out here on November 9th. They kept bumping up against it, didn't do it. Yesterday we got down to this 1850 level. I think 1848 is the low. Yeah, 1848 is the low. Pushed out of here. We're still going to need a lot more volume, but for today we pushed out of here. Silver has been stronger than gold. Silver did 73,000 contracts out here today. And silver bottom line looks to me like this thing wants to make a run once again up into this $26 area. Now, notes and bonds. We got to take a look at this because this is the cat market that notes and bonds have 15 lives, never mind about 9 lives. And what we had out here today, if we take a look at the 10 got 1.3 million contracts. You're going to see it come up. It kissed its breakdown. The breakdown number inside the 10 is that 138.18. We got to 138.20. Didn't hold price. I suspect we're going to build some cause here. We're going to basically almost explode topside. That's what it's looking like. So these rates are still going to go down And the price of these notes and bonds, folks, are going to go higher. We take a look at the 30-year. The 30-year right now is trading at 174.04. And the 30-year is inside its breakdown. And it has volume behind the move, 429,000 contracts. So I suspect what you had out here today is that, as you're crawling inside the breakdown, there's plenty of traders that said, oh, man, here we go again. I might as well just close this shot position out. We're going higher again. And, that's how these babies are set up, man. That's the bottom line. If we go over and we take a look at the TLT, let's see what the 20-year ETF structure did. Same deal. Yeah. Same deal. It's peeking its head up again. Let me see. It's 161.47. Yeah. Anything over 160.64 is game that you're going higher again, man. There's no reason the TLT can't go all the way back up to 165. If it gets to 165, then goes right to its all-time highs. And what I think that has to do with, folks, is this, is that when we're bisecting and dissecting the marketplace, the NDX 100 is very weak. The composite's very weak. That move by the bonds is already telling us we're in the probability business. That's telling us that, guess what? We'll get by probably Thanksgiving week. I can't see a big down week there. You come back on Monday morning, I can see some tough markets. That's the way that this is seeming to set up. It's kind of laid out like that. And King Dollar. We go, oh, yeah, no. You know what we want to do? I want to go to copper. Because copper is saying, we've been talking about this. Copper has been saying to me for quite some time that we have a commodity bull going in a big way. Well, copper basically did it today. Copper's up 9 pennies. You are at 328. The next stop up there is about 350, 360. Then you're into the fours. It has force behind the move, and more than likely, we'll tie that with the dollar. And that's where the probability gets much higher that this dollar is going to break the September 1st lows. That September 1st low is the 91,700 area and go to 88. And if that's what you got, hang on for the ride, folks. That's going to push in a super commodity bull market. Stay right there, folks. Dow Industrials right now down 220. You get the NASDAQ off 7, S&P's off 19. We'll come right back.